Hello, geography. Thought today was the day I reveal the stash for you guys before you head out for the summer. Only a couple days left, only a couple gold days left here. Let's see, for today, all right, which will be the 13th, gold day number 15. Like I said in your last video, we're going to continue on with some of Africa's more prominent, more famous, well-known physical features. So today, just like the other day, you're going to watch 3 different Ed puzzle videos. You're going to watch one on up top here, something called the Serengeti Plains of Africa. All right, the Serengeti is basically what you would think of when you think of the Lion King. As you look at that picture, there's a little lion over here. But the Serengeti Plains is one of the more well-known spots for safaris and all of that stuff that you'll get to see. The other ones that we'll watch, if you look down here, we got the Nile River, the most important river in Africa, the longest river in Africa. Some people say it's the longest in the world compared to the Amazon. It depends on who you're asking and where they are counting that it's starting, but super long river, super important river to Africa. It's really famous for going through Egypt, all the Egyptian pharaohs and all of that. You know, the Nile River was kind of almost like a religious thing to those people. So it's a huge river, really important river. You'll learn a little bit about that today. And then the final one down here is something called the Great Rift Valley, which is a pretty cool place in Africa. It's in Eastern Africa, where essentially the earth is cracking apart, all right, causing huge rifts, all right, great rifts in the earth. It's a place where there's a lot of tectonic plate movement. Some people are believing, and you know, I would tend to believe it as well, is that essentially if it keeps cracking like this and if it keeps separating, causing these huge giant rifts, that part of Africa, the eastern part of Africa, could potentially almost break off into the ocean and almost become its own kind of miniature continent. So it's kind of an interesting place there, so you'll learn a little bit about that. So today, you're going to head over to Ed Puzzle. You're going to do those 3 videos. And, yeah, see what you learn and answer those questions on it. You only have one more gold day after this, all right? So gold day number 16 coming up on Friday. We are going to try to do just something really quick with Asia. I'm going to give you just a short assignment, just kind of giving you some things about Asia since we haven't really touched on that yet. We're running out of time. There's just not enough time for everything, especially with this distance learning day that really kind of cut us down. So do your best on these Ed Puzzle videos. This will be the last time we really touch on Africa, unfortunately. But yeah, have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Message me with questions or anything else if you need to. But otherwise, you guys have a good one. All right? Peace out.